increasing the quality of education with blended learning as an effort to realize SDGs in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. Education is everything related to learning experiences that take place in all environments and throughout life. Education is also interpreted as learning that is held in school as formal educational institution. In human life, of course, education is needed because education is a process of developing a person in the form of mindset, attitude, character, language, and also how his contribution to social life is of course determined by his education. Of course, quality education is expected for the progress of a nation. Education is not just a means of agent of change for the younger generation who will become the successor of a nation, but also must become agent of producer in order to create a real transformation. Education, which is the standard, is not only formal education, but what is meant is education, which must also be able to change the mindset and point of view of the nation children who will become successor one day. Innovative and quality education will encourage someone's creativity, especially the younger generation, to hone their curiosity as agents of innovation who will play an important role and apply the concept of sustainable development. The learning process that is often found in classes that usually use face-to-face learning makes some students feel bored to follow it. This causes students to skip classes in the learning process because there is no interest in participating. This causes the result expected by teacher and student not to match. Therefore, the implementation of the blended learning process is expected to attract student enthusiasm in the learning process. Blended learning, as a learning model, integrates conventional learning processes, namely face-to-face and online learning, which aims to produce effective learning in terms of delivering material by educators to students. Things that need to be considered in the implementation of blended learning are related to which subject topics are appropriate to be present online or face-to-face in accordance with the learning objective, learning materials, as well as the characteristic of the learners and the condition phase. Thus, in this application, blended learning can answer individual needs to actively develop their insight.